This is a channel created by CELTA certified teachers and the staff members of Jeremiah University. This is a channel created by CELTA certified teachers and the staff members of Jeremiah University. If you are at your beginner or advanced level, this is the right channel to get tips and tricks on how to improve your English language. We offer English lessons for all levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Our program includes practical tips to improve your English skills, covering everyday conversations, idioms, vocabulary, and grammar. We also place a strong focus on developing your writing, listening, and reading abilities. In addition, we provide specialized lessons for those preparing for international exams such as IELTS and TOEFL, ideal for students planning to pursue higher education or build a life abroad. Subscribe, learn, and let's take your journey to the next level.